Hi guys, today we are going to start the part 2 of our factorization video of class 8. If you have not seen the part 1, the link has been provided in the description.
So guys, let's begin. So methods for doing factorization. There are three ways or methods for doing factorization, and they are by taking a common factor, by regrouping terms, using identities. We will be dealing with these three identities separately. So let's go. By taking common factors. Okay. In this method, we will be taking out the common factors from the terms. For example, factorize 5xy plus 10x. 5xy can be written as 5 into x into y. And similarly, 10x can be written as 2 into 5 into x. So here you can see 5 into x, okay, 5 into x and 5 into x. It's common in both. So you take it out. So factorization of 5xy plus 10x is equal to 5 into x into y plus 2 into 5 into x. So here take out 5x, then 5x into y plus 2. So this is the required term, or you can say required factor. Examples: factorize 12a square b plus 15ab square. 12a square b is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into a into b. Okay. Similarly, 15ab square is equal to 5 into 3 into a into b into b. Here the terms have 3a and b as common factors. So we will take these common factors out from the terms. Therefore, 12a square b plus 15ab square is equal to 3 into a into b into 2 into 2 into a. The way you write this number in prime factor form doesn't depend. Okay. So here you can see I wrote it. It is here I wrote 12 a square b into 2 into 2 into 3 into a into b. But here you can see it is written 3 into a into b into 2 into 2 into a. It doesn't matter. Okay. Plus 3 into a into b plus into 5 into b. So we remove 3ab out. So 3 into a into b into 2 into 2 into a plus 5 into b. So the required form is 3ab into 4a plus 5b. Factorize ax square plus bxy square and cxyz. So the answer is ax square y can be written as a into x into x into x into y. Yeah, and one more thing, this is second example. Okay. So here bxy square can be written as b into x into y into y. Okay. And cxyz can be written as c into x into y into z. Okay. Now if you look carefully, you will find xy xy. So xy is the common factor. So we remove the common factor from these two terms. So it will be ax square y plus bxy square plus cxyz. So now since we have removed xy from first term, you write xy bracket. So here nothing is there, that means it is into. Okay. So we have removed xy from a, x square and y. So one x is removed and one y is removed. So the remaining is ax plus, okay. For the second term we have removed xy. So remaining is by plus, for the third term we have removed xy. Then the remaining is c into z. Okay. So this is the required factor. Okay. Important points to remember. This method is applicable only if all the terms have some common factor. This method is the base for the second method. To use this method, there must be at least two terms with some common factor. So here the word at least means minimum requirement. Okay. So there must be minimum requirement of two terms.